Today, let's start with chapter number 2, the wise minister. What qualities are required to be a perfect administration? हमें क्या qualities की requirement होती है अगर आपको perfect administrator बनना? Are only physical fitness and ability sufficient? क्या खाली physical fitness और जो abilities है वो ज़रूरी है या फिर no such human qualities like compassion, pity, sympathy, kindness are also required? It is the quality of a body that is heard that makes someone perfect. Once upon a time, there lived a king in a small state of northern India. He was a noble and generous king. He loved truth and justice, and the subjects in his kingdom were very happy and prosperous. Okay? Now, the king had a council of ministers who often advised him in various state affairs, and the king also obeyed them truthfully. और king भी उनको ये करता था, truthfully obey करता था. The chief minister of the state was very learned and wise. He was a real gem in his council of ministers. The king always valued his opinion और जैसा वो advice करते थे उस पे ही act कर. But he was getting old, so he decided to retire from active life. वो बहुत old हो गए थे, so he decided to retire from the active life and devote his rest of the life in the company of holy man and in serving of God. One day, the chief minister say he expressed his desire to the king. The king became sad. He knew that it was difficult to find a suitable man as wise as the chief minister to look after the state affairs. He did not want to stop him from following his wish, so he politely अपने minister से कहता है to search out a suitable person who could take up a responsibility of state affair after him. The chief minister agreed. He agreed. The chief minister thought some days and he asked the royal announcer to announce that sports meet would be held in the capital. The next one, कि जो sport meet है वो held होगी capital में. All the young men of the kingdom should take part in the meet. और जितने भी young men हैं, they will take part in the meet. He should also announce that most eligible participant would be appointed in the royal court. देखा जो eligible participant होगा उसको appoint करा जाएगा royal court में और chief minister himself judge the person from amongst the all. और chief minister क्या करेंगे judge करेंगे among all the participants जितने भी participants हैं. The announcement sent were excitement among the young men of the kingdom. Everybody has interested to take part in the sport meet and they serve the royal court. So young men in large number from every northern corner kingdom assembled in the capitals to try this luck. और जो chief minister है asked his men to lodge his participant in the royal guest house and look after the well. All of them were allowed to spend their time in the way they liked. The young men in the royal guest house were quite happy. They were getting good food and everything they need without any cost. Some of them loved to spend their time. कुछ लोग थे वो अपना idling ही time spend करना पसंद करते थे. And gossip, some would love just to sleep away the day and some others spend their time in reading. Meanwhile, the chief minister he had asked few of his trusted to secretly keep a watch on the activities of the young men. Every day he would call up a group of young men. वो group of young men को बुलाता है, ठीक है, and ask a simple question and would send them back after selecting only one person. Many days passed in this way and at least only few of them were left. ऐसे days passed करते रहे, थोड़े ही लोग बचे थे. At last, chief minister announced the date of sports meet. The participants were asked to assemble in a big room. और उसने date announce करी और वो participants है, they were asked to come in the playground in the early morning when they had to show their skill. The king accompanied by the chief minister and some of the other countries came to watch their talent. और other country के लोग भी आए थे and they started watching the talents of the people. All the participants to say they were well that it was only the test before one of them could get a good job in life. Therefore, each of them was eager to. देखो हर एक इंसान जो भी participants थे, they were eagerly want to give their best performance. They participate in different games. Now of them were inferior to other in game. Nevertheless, first 3 winners of every game were retained for the next. देखो पहले जो 3 winner थे, they were retained for the next round. And at last there were only 15 candidates left. कितने candidate बचे थे? 15. The last event of the day was marathon race and the participants were asked to go round the market area of the capital within a stipulated time. The winners था race का would get convented appointment. The race began. One of the young men, he ran so fast soon to overlook all. They covered the market area and started returning back to the game arena. The man was still well ahead of the other parts. Everybody was sure that he would win the race and get a prize. सबको पता था कि वो race जीत जाएगा और prize जीत जाएगा. Suddenly he stopped there on the side of the road and was laying an old man groaning in a great pain. He hesitated for a moment, looked back at the other contestant and he returned and moved toward the old man. वो वापस जाता ओल्ड मैन की तरफ. The old man had strained one of his legs. He was unable to stand up. ना वो खड़ा हो पा रहा था, ना वो चल पा रहा था, क्योंकि उसके पैर में क्या आ गया था, स्ट्रेन आ गया था. And with great care and helped him to stand on his feet. Then he accompanied the old man to his house on the other side of the road. By the time he came back, it was too late. All the participants जो थे, they already reached the arena. Sadly, the man entered the arena and stood behind the happy part. Man गया, arena में गया और जो happy participants थे उनके साथ खड़ा हो गया. Chief Minister was watching everything from his seat, so he came down to annoy winner of the day. He announced the name of the winner as promised, offered him a good job, and royal. Then he gave away prizes to other participants. At last, he came to a young man. You failed to finish your race in a stipulated time, therefore you are not entitled of any prize. He said the man hung his head sadly, but said nothing. The chief minister thanked all the participants and requested them to return home. Next day, a messenger of king को वो उस मैन के पास जाता है और उसको लेटर देता है जो किंग ने दिया था. And he read the letter which said the real aim of the sport meet was not only to test the talent of the participant, लेकिन उनका moral factor भी जानना बहुत जरूरी है. Actually, I am in need of a man who was only physical ability but also quality of heart. जैसे compassion होना चाहिए, pity होनी चाहिए, sympathy होनी चाहिए, kindness होनी चाहिए. ठीक है? So they look after my subjects and work selflessly for the welfare. You have successfully passed in both the attempts. Therefore, my chief minister, who has grown old and wished to retire from active life, has suggested me your name and the right man to be appointed as chief minister. वो कहता है कि मेरे जो chief minister है वो ओल्ड हो रहा है, उन्होंने तुम्हारा नाम दिया है to be selected as the next chief minister of his kingdom. Based upon his advice, I have decided. The young man could read no further as his eyes were full of tears of joy and happiness. इतना मतलब हंसी, बहुत खुशी से उसकी आंखों में पानी और हैप्पीनेस की वजह से आंखों में पानी आ गया, तो बहुत खुश हुआ इस चीज़ को देख. ठीक है, दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. होप यू अंडरस्टूड द चैप्टर. थैंक यू.